There's a quote that says, if you can control your food, you can control almost anything. And honestly, that actually started making sense to me only after I began my journey. But if you're expecting me to say don't eat this or cut everything out, this is not that video. If you're starting, start simple. Don't try to change everything overnight. Just start by controlling the portions you eat. Eat whatever you like, but not in the same quantity. Because the moment you cut everything at once, that's when it backfires. And this one small change made my journey easier. Wait, there's a smell coming from the kitchen. I think it's biryani. Okay, I'm gonna go eat, but follow for real tips, not extreme ones. Bye.